welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about HP Stream 11 Pro out here, a very interesting gadget out there. And talking about this gadget, then we can say that this is from HP series itself. And talking about this gadget, then we can say it also has that trustworthy security chip system inbuilt in it, like you get to have a trustworthy, that is TPM, that is trustworthy platform modulus 1.2 security chip system. Along with that, if you talk about this gadget, then we can say that Windows 8.1 Pro 64 bytes edition could be seen, that is the pre-installed version. So it also has Windows operating system inbuilt in it. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here was developed for both corporate and household purpose. मतलब दोनों ही पर्पस के लिए यूज हो सकता है, हाउस होल्ड पर्पस भी, कॉर्पोरेट पर्पस भी. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, if we talk about HP Stream out there, then we can say that the internal processing is an important and integrated part apart from the storage, because internal platforms are something which helps us to know about the working and everything. Talking about this variant, then we can see that this variant out here offers you Intel 7 processing out there, as well as this can be customized. Core processing could also be seen out here. Along with that, it has got a max turbo speed of 2.5 gigahertz, whereas the clock speed is 2.1 gigahertz. So you get to have two different gigahertz out there in the clock speed as well as in the max turbo speed. Talking about this variant, then we can say that the number of cores out here, the number of cores or the kind of core system it has, it is a dual core system gadget or dual core system laptop, we can say. Along with that, it has got Intel burst technology. So you get to have Intel burst technology, you get to have a good dual core system. Along with that, you get to see that it has a cache memory or the storage out here, or the cache storage out there. It's L2 cache memory. So offering you L2 cache memory, it offers you an installed size of 1 MB. So 1 MB is the installed size out here, L2 cache memory installed size. Along with that, you also get to see that the RAM or the installed RAM, that is the random access memory out here, offers you 2 GB installed RAM. If we talk about this RAM, then 2 GB installed RAM is there in the form of DDR3L. DDR3L is the most common and the most popular variant out here, which we get to see. Along with that, it has got a memory speed of 1333 megahertz. So that is also a good version, that 1333 megahertz could be seen. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then we can see that it has got a solitarized configuration. So you will find that the installed memory is the maximum support size, that is 2 GB maximum support is the maximum RAM type it has. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can see that this variant out here offers you good storage in the hard drive also. That's why this variant is good. Talking about the hard drive storage, then we can say that it offers you SSD type storage, which is really good. SSD type storage are really important out here. And talking about this variant, then it offers you 32 GB capacity of SSD type storage. You get to have SSD type storage of 32 GB. So overall, the storage is good, not bad out there. Comparatively to this variant, it is a good version. Talking about this version, then we can say that the display plays an important role. Display is definitely an important purpose, because the output, the working, everything is done on the display itself. So it offers you 29.5 centimeter screen size. So that is really good. 29.5 centimeter is the screen size. Along with that, it offers you LED backlight with a processing out there. LED display is there with a backlight functionality. SD resolution could be seen out. You will find that the resolution out here is SD resolution. Anti-glance and standard view angle is the monitor featuring along with the HD resolution. So you will find that HD resolution के साथ साथ anti-glance और standard view angle भी इसमें देखने को मिल रहा है. So these are all the specifications related to the gadget out here. These are the things related to the screening out there, which you get to see on the display, on the monitor out here. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can say that the display is something which is related to the graphical part. And now let us talk about the graphics part also. Talking about the graphics, talking about the graphical part, then it offers you Intel HD graphics. So this is a definitely amazing version that Intel's graphic is being used, that is HD graphics. Along with that, you get to see integrated webcam with microphones and stereo type speakers. And microphones are in two in number, so two microphones, one stereo type speaker for good audio quality recordings out there. But the best part about it is that it has got a noise cancellation technology. So you get to have a noise cancellation technology along with it. So that is definitely an amazing version. Talking about this version, then we can say this noise cancellation technology works really well, but this works only for this gadget out there. But when we talk about the gadget, then we cannot neglect out the keyboard and everything. It offers you a keyboard with all the functional keys as well as the touchpad out here. Along with that, it offers you connectivity with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB 2, 3 type, audio input output jack, power connectors out there. SD card reading connectivity could be seen out there. You will find these kind of connectivities. Now, when we talk about these connectivities, we will say that optical drive or the DVD write-ups cannot be seen out here. But talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we cannot neglect out the fact that it has got a good battery life. Talking about the battery life, it has got 3-cell lithium ion battery life. Yes, 3-cell lithium ion battery life could be seen out. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then it offers you a run timing of 9 up to 9 hours, like 8 to 9 hours run time could be seen out here. So let us talk about the pricing also, because pricing plays an important role. Talking about the pricing, this is the link of the website. This is the website outside, which is justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com provides you great range of products, a large section of gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. So you get to have your pocket friendly rates out here in your pocketable rates. You get to have your variety of gadgets. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can see that here on this site, you get to have customizability option also. So you will get customizability option for your gadgets, pocket friendly rates. So you get to have a lot of things out on this website. Now let us search about this gadget on this in the search icon. Since we are searching 11 Pro, so there are two different variants out there. One is this variant, one is this variant. So let us click on any one of the versions. So this is the result out here. Small description at the top and a small description at the bottom could be seen. Along with that, you also get to see that there is a product condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and know what are refurbished products all about. Refurbished products and brand new products, if we talk about these products, then we can say they are quite same products out there. They have absolutely similar structures. We can say the same design, the same functionalities. As well as when we talk about refurbished products and brand new products, then we can say that refurbished products are nothing else, or the certified refurbished products are nothing else, but they are absolutely brand new like. Yes, they are absolutely brand new like products. And talking about the conditions out there, then the products are pre-owned gadgets. Yes, if we talk about the gadgets, then you can say that the gadgets are pre-owned. You get to see that the gadget has been owned once by a user out there. But when we talk about brand new, then they are directly from the company itself. You do not get to see the pre-ownization in the brand new products. Talking about the brand new products and talking about the refurbished products, let us talk about the both the categories, both the gadgets out there. They are same structure, the same functionality, same design out there. As well as the refurbished products are tested and approved gadgets and how they are done. So let us quickly see that. Talking about the testing and everything, before that we come to the market out there. Like what kind of differences it offers. We already know that brand new products are absolutely new. They are directly from the company itself. Whereas refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. Now what are these pre-owned gadgets? Talking about the brand new products, then they are from the company. That is the main source of the company out here, which launches that gadget into the marketplace for the users for the very first time. Now, once the gadget is launched in the market, it is released out in the market, then it has to be sold to the users out there. So it has been sold to the user. Now, user have this gadget. What happens that the gadget is not so appropriate that we don't want to use it. We want to resell it. We want to get rid of it, and we want to have another source, another gadget now. So this gadget, the pre-owned gadget out here, is resold to another marketplace. Uh, this reselling process, or we can say this whole process now, the extension of brand new, is known as refurbished process. Now this user sells it off to the marketplace to the new user. Now, in short, if you have to describe, then we can say that refurbished product is nothing else but the extension to brand new. Yes, whereas the brand new ends, the user ends out there with own of a gadget. It is launched out to another site, another place where it is again resold to another user. So this is known as refurbishedness. Now, there is a difference out there. Where does the difference lies? The difference mainly lies out in the testing sites. It's not like the testing parameter differs. No, testing parameters are absolutely same. They are absolutely same. But you get to see that these gadgets out here offers you a different site for parameter on the sites for testing out there. Just like brand new, we know that brand new testing is done on various sites because there are different sites before launching it to test about that gadget. Whereas refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets, if they have to be tested, they are tested on the same site, same place where they have been sold and going to be reselling their gadgets. So this is the place where it has to be tested. Now let us move to the testing parameters because we know there is absolutely same design out here. Along with that, you also get to see that they offer you the same parameters, same functionality. So talking about the parameters, there are different testing parameters out there. Talking about these parameters, then we can say that the parameters are actually divided into two major categories, that are the external parameters and the internal parameters. Yes, you get to have external and internal parameters out there. Now, talking about these external parameters and internal parameters, the major difference lies out in the techniques. External parameters are directly through the eyes. We do not require any softwares or specialized tool out there. We can say that's a very quick process, like we just get through it. Whereas the internal parameters are slightly long process, like we can say it is slight time consuming as compared to external. Along with that, it requires internal components checking, it requires software, specialized softwares, it requires tools out there. So it requires a lot of things. Now let us talk about these parameters also because parameters also plays an important role. And when we talk about the parameters, then we can say that external parameters require the external gadgets, the design out there specifically. Externally, what we see in a gadget, externally we get to see that a gadget has a good display or not, buttons are intact or not. You get to see the power jacks out there, the jack systems out there, everything. Scratches, everything related to scratches has to be checked, like display has scratch or not, whether the backside had a scratch or not, or every gadget needs to check out that. Apart from that, then it has checked out the integrated webcam. The webcam is working properly or not. The touchpad is working or not. Key are working on, like all the keys on the keyboard are working properly or not. Along with that, it has to be checked that whether it's taking time for shutting down and restarting. Like these kind of things has to be checked. Like the battery has to be checked in short. So overall, you can see that all the things which can be checked out through eyes, which are not time consuming, can be called in the or categorized under the external parameters. Now talking about the internal parameters, these require the internal components. Yes, this require the internal components out here. Talking about the internal components, then we can say that the internal components are like the CPU, GPU out there, chip system, internal graphic processor out there, the storage out there, RAM, cache memory, connectivities out there, speakers inbuilt in it, microphones out there, resolution out there, the data wiping and storage out there. So everything which are the internal basic components out there, they have to be checked. And these require actually some specialized softwares. For like connectivity, we need a specialized software to check the speed and the connections out there. So every internal components require a specialized thing to check its own. That's why we say it's slightly time consuming out there. Now, when every category is checked, every parameter is checked, how does it happen and what happens after that? Now, once it is checked out, it is categorized as refurbished or certified refurbished. Both are same. Both the categories remain the same, refurbished and certified refurbished. Now, what happens is when you have a certified refurbished product or a refurbished product, they have to pass every category. But if they fail in any one, then it has to be renewed. Yes, it has to be renewed out there. It has to be replaced with the original part. You have to replace that particular part with the original part from the company itself. Now, once it is done out there, what are the benefits? Like why we are talking about this gadget? Why we are talking about refurbished products? There are few benefits associated with it, along with, or we can say, because of which it is slightly preferred from brand new. Now, when we talk about the benefits, then we can say that it offers you pocket friendly rates. Yes, number one is the pocket friendly rate out here. Offered here is the pocket friendly rate of the gadgets. Because brand new products offers you slightly expensive, we can say pricing, like we can say overall brand new are slightly expensive gadgets out there. Whereas the same gadget under the condition of refurbished is quite pocketable. There is a difference in the pricing out, so you get to have a savings also. Like if you have a difference of around 100 or 200, then also you get to save a lot. So when you have a brand new and a refurbished product, there is a huge difference in the pricing, so there is a great saving associated with it. But what happens to the brand new products is that they offer you 1 year warranty period. Along with that, you get to have a exchange policy also. But does refurbished product offer you the same? We can see that refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty period. Along with that, it offers you 7 exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. So that's why we say that refurbished products offer you a great variety, a great range of uh, things out there, because warranty भी है, less price भी है, savings भी है, you get to have a lot of things out there. So now moving on to the site back, let us try out that site once again and check whether it offers you the same things or not. So this is the site we were talking about, and the site name is justatclick.com. Justatclick.com, नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, from the name itself it is clear. Just at a click, you're just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. And when we talk about the gadgets, then we can say the gadgets out here are offered in a very good pocketable rates. You get to have a warranty period, as it already offers you 6 months warranty period is offered out here. You get to have a huge savings. You get to have great deals. Great deals means they are offering you your gadgets in a best pocketable deal. Along with that last section, like you get to have a large collection of your gadgets. Like there are n number of gadgets from reputed brands out there. Apart from that, you get to see that this site out here offers you, along with that, free home delivery. Yes, this site offers you free home delivery. It offers you money back guarantee, that is the exchange policy out here. Along with that, online support system is offered out. Apart from that, it offers you COD, like free shipping के साथ साथ COD भी मिल रही है. You get to have COD and free shipping out here. Shipping की बात करें तो it might take a difference out there. It might be differing, like if you have customized your gadget, it might take slightly longer time. Whereas usually it takes 48 hours for most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time for Saudi. Coming back to the site, we can say that this site, which is just at click.com, yes, the site just at click.com, offers you customizability option. Yes, this site offers you customizability option so that you can customize your gadget. Now, how does customization occurs? Customization occurs through RAM customization, storage, or the hard drive storage, processing out there, all the things which could be customized or have been customized by the company. जो भी options available होते हैं, they you can customize accordingly. So you can check out the website for your favorite gadgets out there, as well as you can check out whichever gadget you want to customize accordingly. Because if it is possible, then you can customize your gadget according to your needs. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.